Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of stylish and functional rain boots for women. These waterproof garden shoes are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable, whether you're tackling a rainy day in the city or working in the garden. Crafted from durable rubber, these non-slip, knee-high rain boots offer excellent traction and stability on wet surfaces, ensuring you stay safe and secure. Despite their robust construction, these boots are surprisingly lightweight, making them perfect for long days on your feet, whether you're fishing, working, or just enjoying the great outdoors. The fashion-forward mid-calf design adds a touch of elegance to your rainy day wardrobe, seamlessly blending practicality with style. With these versatile rain shoes, you can embrace any weather with confidence and flair. So, step out in comfort and style, and make every rainy day an opportunity to shine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.